Good afternoon. This is MetLoop meteorologist Nancy Koslick here with an update on your forecast. We're going to start things off today with a look at now Tropical Storm Matthew. Matthew was in Best 97 and he was upgraded earlier this morning. So we're continuing to watch this storm track off to the west, and this is going to continue over the next several days while he strengthens, eventually becoming a hurricane. We're looking for that to happen probably around Friday. So he's going to keep on gaining strength over the next several days, and we're still looking at quite a difference as far as some of these models go. Now, quite a few are still in agreement that he's going to continue to track to the west and then take a pretty much 90-degree turn to the north. Now, if this happens, obviously he'll continue into the Atlantic and up the eastern seaboard possibly, but we also could see him continue to the west a little bit longer and then turn to the north, or maybe even go into the Gulf of Mexico. So we're still unsure of his exact track, but a lot of the models are having him turn to the north a little bit earlier. We're thinking he might stick around on that westerly path for a little bit longer than some of these models are having. So we'll see what happens over the next several days, and of course keep you updated as things continue to change. Elsewhere, we're looking at, of course, continued showers and thunderstorms for many of us, especially into the Ohio River Valley. We're also looking for the possibility of some severe activity heading into the rest of this afternoon, and that's going to extend from around Maryland down through Virginia and into North Carolina as well. And that's because that frontal boundary remains draped across the area. It's stalled out, and we already have another upper level low pressure system currently centered over the Great Lakes that's going to be moving in as well. So it's rather strong to severe storms possible in that region heading into a little bit later on today. Here's a look at your future radar for this afternoon and into the overnight hours, and of course the widespread shower and thunderstorm activity extending from Pennsylvania down through the East Coast into the Carolinas. Now remember, we're going to look for the possibility of some of that isolated severe weather extending from parts of Maryland down through Virginia and into North Carolina as well. So we're going to look for those storms possibly containing some hail, high winds, locally heavy rainfall, and we can never rule out the possibility of tornadic activity. That's going to be this afternoon and into this evening. We're also going to continue to track this upper level low that's moving its way through parts of Indiana and into Ohio. Some of that activity is also going to be spinning around and extending from Ohio down through parts of Kentucky and into Tennessee as well. So lots to watch for heading into the rest of today. Stay safe if you are in any of these areas of the country. We're also going to continue to update you on the progress of Tropical Storm Matthew heading into the next several days. So stay with MetLoop and continue to watch for updates on Facebook and our website, metloop.com as well. Thank you so much for watching this afternoon, and have a great rest of your day.